My people, we go watch this video where they play for us, so we go see wetin some mother-in-law they do, whether this one wey happen to this our sister, whether e dey right or e dey wrong. Let's watch this video first before my comments.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, is there anything wrong if a married woman is putting on this dress? Is there anything wrong? Number two is that, should I let my husband know about it? And number three is that, should I reply the message? This is the message my mother-in-law sent to me. This is the message she sent to me today. If people saw the video I made yesterday with my husband where we are dancing. So let me read the message to you people. So I need your opinion. Should I tell my husband about it? Should I reply? And is there anything wrong if a married woman is putting on this dress? Is my breast showing? Is my body showing? When I dey tell una say, more na dey dress to confuse your enemy, una think say I dey lie. Dress, look good to confuse them. Look good to let them know that you refuse to look like your problem. Make una hear. As I read the way she take write am. Shame on you. See the kind of clothes you are wearing and exposing yourself in the public, and your husband is happy about it because you have used charm to hold him hostage. This is it, that I've used charm to hold him. I love is that some women, they don't even know their son enough. This my husband, that he's even bold enough to dance outside, was a man that he does not smile, he do not laugh. People we are telling me that I went to marry an old man. He's just 30. But because of his look, because of the circumstances, the way he grew up, he does not laugh, he does not smile. My husband cannot even snap picture. I can't snap him. I know the way I have suffered and built him to be the man he is today. I know the way I have adjusted my man to be the way he is. People are seeing him, that he's able to put smile on people's face. He does not laugh. He don't know how to communicate to people. He don't know how to express himself. He's just like a sadist. I was the one that changed him to be the way he is. I was the one that make him to look the way he's looking, that make him that he's able to laugh. He's able to make videos with me. I know what I used to pass through, what I used to face in order to make him make one video. I know the promises I used to do. Because they say every woman has a way to make his husband do what she wants. Because we decide to be happy, because they are not waiting to hear calls in the village, we are fighting today, tomorrow. Because as small as we are, we're able to manage our family, we're able to manage ourselves. We are not calling anybody for any family counseling. Because we decide to be happy, to make ourselves happy, it has caused a big problem. It has not turned to them using sham to hold my husband. Please, I need your opinion.
My people, shey una don watch this video. Una see wetin this lady talk about wetin her mother-in-law do. This lady, e make video with her whole husband, man wey be say e love am. The man no disagree with the dressing of the lady. The man not talk say, my wife, this dress wey you wan wear so come public, e no good. But mother-in-law wey not dey there, now she can't see the dress, e say e no good. He can't talk say he get the power to correct the woman. Say this lady, he don't use what would they call her, juju, take blindfold her husband, and even send message go give this woman. My people, when I see what dey happen, this message now to all mother-in-law. Your son, you no fit guide down for yourself for life. Your son, as far say you don't marry, you no dey your house again, you no get control over that son again. His wife now he can't get control over this man. Not fit say because say now you born a come out, you no fit marry your son, you no fit carry your son enter bed. For that simple reason, leave your son and his wife to live that peaceful life. No dey poke nose, no dey luku the first small error wey be say you wan bring come out take attack the woman. If the son not come join you, if the son not support you, you go come talk say the wife, e don cook some concoction for the man may eat. E no cook anything for her. Now the love na e bound them together. Now the love of God wey dey bind all marriages, na e bind them together. The Bible don talk and say, a man will grow old and marry, and they will become one. Two of them, they go dey live their life dey go. Wetin you get for them na just to pray for them, say God protect these people for me, protect my children for me. Na only that one you get for them. If that lady, she is no longer a baby, she know wetin e good for am, wetin she go wear come out for public. She know say na she and her husband wan come do that show that day. According to her, e say na she and her husband do that video. Her husband no talk. You wey come be the iye, that is grandmom of ages, na you wan come advise this generation. The woman know wetin good for her, e know wetin e go wear for im body. For that simple reason, stop dey pop nose for your son marriage. Stop dey look for small small error wey you wan take attack the woman. If the woman no dey dress just now, problem catch am, that is problem cover am, dey do like this dey go. Na the woman fit come and say they no know the wife wey their son go marry. You no dey dress, you no dey talk, na so dey do like this dey go. Any woman wey be say e want happiness, e want joy, if you no get wetin you wan do, just enter bathroom, baff, make up, dress. That one sef, e dey contribute happiness to your life. E dey contribute joy to your life. Or e no mean say always you go just dey sober dey go. E no mean say you no get problem if you dey dress, if you dey make up, make all enemy dey cry put. E no mean say you no get problem. Like this matter of this lady, e be like say the mother-in-law, e love say make the woman just dey like this. They go just say wetin dey do am, see as e come be. But now when the woman reject that one, say e no fit be like that, the woman is not happy. The only way to beat your enemy, just be smiling, just be happy. Only that one, e big pass one rejection wey you go give them. Na so me I see this matter. After finish watching, just drop your own comment. What do you think about her dressing? Is it good or not? Thank you for watching. Please support your girl. Help me to share this video. Give the video a thumbs up. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.